Hey guys, TSL here, back with a brand new video. Now in today's video I want to show you guys something different. So as you guys may know, there's been a popular online game called Wordle, has been gaining a lot of traction recently. And if you don't know what Wordle is, basically you have to type in some random words, 5-letter words, and you have to try to guess what the word is, and you have 6 tries. So I took it upon myself to try to make a clone of this, except instead of making it a website, making it a Roblox game. Now this game will be available for you guys to play. It will be under my username, and it is titled Wordle. I'll probably create a thumbnail and icon for the game later on, but right now it's just the default stuff. Also, you can find it in my favorites or my creations. So as you see, you have to guess the letters, and it shows you a darker gray if it's not in the word at all, green if it's in the word in the correct spot, and yellow if it's in the word just in the incorrect spot. So basically my game has the same thing, and before I show you guys my game, I think I'll show you a little trick that you can use to impress your friends. And yeah, but warning, if you don't, well, actually, you're not going to be watching it on this day anyway, since I'm recording this the day before it's posted. So I can go ahead and show you guys this trick to get the answer every time on whatever try you want. So if you open up, inspect a page, and go to the console, all you have to do is type a parenthesis and get a new window dot bundle, or window dot wordle dot bundle dot game app, and then close the parentheses and put a dot solution, and you see it gives us the solution. Now you guys don't believe me, you see it says aroma here. If I type that in, well, the word was correct. And now this was because I used this trick all 3 times that I've played this, so as you saw, well, I got a two of them on the first attempt, and then 1 on the second attempt, which was this one. So now let's go into my game. You see it's titled Wordle. We click play, and it'll load us into the game. Okay, so here we are, we're loading into the game, and we are now loaded in. I don't know, you guys might be able to see a resemblance, you might not. They don't really look that similar. But anyways, don't mind this. Right now I'm currently working on making a UI that will allow you to send a request to a different person in the server to go into a private server for head-to-head matches. So basically that'll be like speed, like who can get the word the quickest, and yeah, it'll basically work the same way. So, I actually have no idea what the word is currently, but if I type on my keyboard, you see it goes into our boxes, and we can delete, and we can also press these buttons, and see this, it does a little shake, and it says not in word bank. Now you can kind of break this animation a little if you spam it, and sometimes it'll just break by itself. I try to work on it, but you see it, sometimes it doesn't go back if you spam it like I just did. Alright, so let's type in a real word. Let's try that, and you see we got 2 letters that are in the word but in the wrong spot. Maybe that, and now we have 3 letters currently, and if we try something else, okay, still only have 3 letters. Maybe that. Okay, so we have at least 4 letters, and let's try to see if we can get this. Oh, okay, so you see I got really close here. I don't know why I put an E actually, because we know that there's an A in the word, so that must mean that the word is this. And you see we have a little animation, and then this pops up with our round guess distributions. And yeah, we have that little bar, we have a streak. So I got the last 2 ones that I played correct, and well, I played 12. So yeah, that's pretty cool, and we can always close out of this. And yeah, so that's pretty much the game. And now you have to wait until the next word comes. Now it's not exactly 1 day, sometimes it's less. It just randomly happens. So yeah, that's one issue, but it's fine because then maybe you can get multiple in a day. But that's also why I'm going to add an infinite mode if you guys will actually play the game. But anyways, yeah. So that is the game, and I just want to mention that I will be making a tutorial video on how you guys can make your very own version of this. And that will be coming out on the channel in maybe a few days or in like a week or so. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So make sure you turn on post notifications and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this and hope you see you in the next one. Bye.